I am going to be teaching you the different type of makeup product that you must have as a beginner and their uses. Without any further ado, let me get right into the video. So the first thing first that you must have as a beginner is that you must have your wipes. Yes, I currently don't have my wipes right now, but I'm going to show you a picture of how it looks like. The wipes is actually the first thing that you need to clean your face, and then you clean your hand because you don't want to get germs on your face. This your wipe is actually used to clean any dirt, any germs on the surface of your skin. Next, you need your moisturizer. This is the type of moisturizer that I use, the Blossom Makeup Moisturizer. Alright, and this is how it looks like. The purpose of applying your moisturizer is to ensure that your face is actually well moisturized before you apply your primer. You need to make sure that your face is hydrated because you don't want to apply your makeup products on a dry skin that would cause patchy makeup or a cakey kind of makeup or a not well blended makeup. So after applying your moisturizer, you apply your primer. Your primer, this is my primer right here, so it's actually very good, especially if you have a very oily skin and a very sweaty face. Foundation. So as a dark skin or as a light skin, you need a foundation that will complement your skin. This is a very dark Avo foundation that I am currently using right now, and because this might be too dark for my skin, I actually mix it with this. This is a V-Beauty foundation, so you need to get a foundation that will actually match your skin. So, but if you're a very fair skin person, you need to get a foundation that is light skin, but it has to match your skin. So you have to get a perfect or a not so perfect, but a very close foundation that you can apply on your skin so it will match your skin. Next, you need your concealer. Your concealer is very important. So you apply your concealer under your eye, on the bridge of your nose, on your forehead, on your chin, and yeah. The purpose of actually using your concealer is to highlight your face and make your face to pop. Like your T-zone area of your face has to pop out. Like this your under eye has to be a bit pop, because if you are going to apply powder, you have to apply a 2-shade lighter kind of powder on your under eye. Powder puff. This is actually used to apply powder on your under eye to ensure that the setting powder is actually sitting under your under powder. Okay, this is called a sponge or a beauty blender. You use it to apply foundation on your face. This is actually very good because it gives you a very smooth makeup application, because it allows the process of applying your makeup to be very smooth when you're applying it. And sometimes you can have your foundation brush. Some people use foundation brush, but I prefer to use this. All right, and some people use their hand just to give it a very. I've never tried that before, but we'll see about that. We're still gonna try that. You need a lip palette, because here you have different shades of lip. Instead of buying a lot of these, you know. But if you still want something like this, you can have a lipstick, or you can have a lip palette, whichever one that you want. Your gel liner. So this is actually used to draw your eyebrow, and sometimes you can use it to draw your eyeliner. If you do not have this, you can use your pencil, your eyebrow pencil, to draw your eyebrow. But sometimes this is what people are actually using right now. You can use it to draw your eyebrow. Hair bonding glue. This can be used to fix your eyelashes, your fake eyelashes. Okay, and if you do not have it, you can also get the one that is actually used for the eyelashes. This is actually a hair bonding glue, but people also use it to apply your fake lashes. Then you need your lashes. So this is the type of lash that I use right now. You need eyelashes. If you actually want a glossy lipstick, you can apply this on the surface of your lips. This gives your lip a glossy kind of lip. A makeup fix spray. You spray this on your face after you are done with your makeup. It prevents sweat, and then it holds the makeup together. So this is the powder palette I have. Sometimes if you do not have the single ones that people use, because I don't think I have to, I once had, but I didn't really use it, so I prefer this one because it has different shades of powder. So you apply your powder on your face after your foundation, after concealing your face with the concealer, you apply it. This is another primer that you can use as well. Can you see? It is just to hold down any kind of sweat. Alright. Then you need your mascara. Sometimes you also need to use your mascara when you are not applying your fake eyelashes. This is called setting powder. This thing is called setting powder. You need your setting powder. After applying your concealer on your face, you will go ahead to powder it. Then you apply your setting powder on top of your baked eye before you set it. Setting is the process of applying your setting powder on top of your baked under eye. I have two types. This is Blossom Makeup setting powder, and this is one. I think this is also Blossom too. I guess. No, this is LNC. Yes, LNC. Then you need your highlighter. So I call this bronzer as well. You can apply it on top of your cheekbone and then blend it all together. This gives your face a glowy face. You need your eyeshadow primer to apply on your eye area before applying your eyeshadow. You have glitters glue. So if you're applying any glitters on the surface of your eye area, you need a glue first. So the glue is what you use to hold on to any glitters. So you only like take out of it and then you spray it on top of the matte eyeshadow, and then you just put a little of it before putting the color of the glitters on top of it. Then you need your under eyeliner. This is called an under eyeliner. You apply it under your eye here. This is to make your eye pop out. It makes your eye bold. You can use this as your eyeliner, this eyebrow, your eyeshadow, and then you need your makeup brushes. I've been using it for like since when I started learning makeup, and I'm still using them, although I bought some more stuff, which are I bought this eyeshadow brush, I bought this one, and I've also lost some of my brushes, but I keep buying some. I also bought these ones. That is all you need as a beginner. If you really want me to tell you different type of makeup brushes that we have, say that in the comment section. My channel is basically for anything that has to do with makeup tutorial, glitter tutorial, makeup tips, trick and hacks, and head wrap and the rest of it. So if you are interested in knowing more and watching more videos as pertaining to my channel, I want you to subscribe. If you are a new subscriber, please do that, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back.